love you flag.
We are going to
A beach
Maano ka?
flag.
Ay, sino nga beach?
Lolo's beach house.
Lolo's Beach House. And then, mano ka dito?
Swim.
Swim sa diin.
Over beach house, Lolo.
Okay.
And swim there.
Maswim ka? Ambi
Like
ko
a shark.
Ambi ko makita ka sang sang bestie, new bestie ni Krabby.
Yes. I not see her 2 miles. I old.
You will look for another bestie. Ang balagay na, nanay, I will look for another bestie of Shelly. Oh, bestie. Pila ka bilog na bestie ang pangitao na to?
2.
2 lang?
Yes.
And what's the name?
Chili crab.
Shelly Crab and
Fishy.
Fishy. Okay.
Like my sister.
Like your sister?
Pasta!
Sino yung mga sister sa
No one.
baby?
Oh,
Baby Prima and Baby Elle.
nice.
They are your sisters. They love you.
Small, kind, small.
Nag-grow man sila ya. Kaya nag-eat sila.
I have a big sister again, Nanay.
Kuya, ikaw ang kuya ni Baby Theo, ni Baby Prima,
I have a
and
sister.
Baby Elle.
I have sister already. I have one big sister already.
Sino?
My sister.
Sino gani?
Amon. Over there.
Someone?
Yes. Over a neighbor. Another neighbor.
Okay. Sige, but if magligo ka mo ni tatay, hindi magpasaway, no?
Okay.
Okay, kaya hindi ko yan maligo. Yeah, ka mo lang ni tatay.
Yes.
Because I'm not feeling well.
Yes.
Di
I'm
ba,
not.
You said gabi you will cook me a soup, vegetable soup, pero wala ka man nag-cook.
Tatay not cook ready.
Ay, ambi ko ikaw makook.
I not cook that.
Nga man.
I didn't cook.
And then,
I'm dead. I'm dead.
no, you're not. Dayon, hambal ko. I-massage mo ko with oil. Wala ko i-massage. Why?
No.
Why don't like the smell of the oil?
It's not hard-boiled.
Horrible siya nga man.
It's no bad.
Okay.
Nanay,
Hmm?
I was not so why a big tatay earlier, and I not so why. Oh, shit! Gucci!
Aray!
Gucci! I got her!
Do you like the vlog?
Yes, I want to poo him.
No. Why do you like the vlog?
I want to poo him a flag.
No, it's not. It's like, ew.
I want
Ew.
to flag.
Say hi to Lola.
Nana, I want to flag.
No, don't do that.
Why?
Hi to your followers, Danay. Hi, followers. Sige na.
Hi, followers.
Okay.
What's that?
Where?
Well, why are not let Lula Bill come a beach? A beach.
Maapa si Lula Bell. Lola Doc and Lolo Doc are coming too.
Oh, why?
They will come from Dumaguete.
Why?
Dito sila guys. Star mo.
Mama, I want to put a flag.
Oh, say bye to vlog na ma-vlog naman
Bye,
kami.
bye, flag.
Flying kiss sa vlog. Bagay. Oh, bye na sa vlog.
Bye, bye, flag.
Flying kiss lang. Okay. Shokoy is a guy mermaid.
What's good? What's Sky Mermaid Chokoy?
The name gan is Shokoy. Kung guy nga mermaid, Shokoy. Kung girl, mermaid. Kung guy, it's Shokoy. Ano pagit ang galib sa ocean?
Oil.
See?
Oil.
Si Ariel. Okay, who else?
Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid. Si Little Mermaid and Ariel, the same na sila.
Yes.
They're only one.
Yes, 2.
No, one lang na sila. Ang name ni Little Mermaid, si Ariel. Ara man dira si Ursula.
Yes, Scary Ursula.
Ara man dira si SpongeBob
And Patrick.
and Patrick and who else?
And Mr. Crab.
Mr. Crab, si Squidward
And Plankton.
and Plankton.
The little bug.
Little bug, you are the Plankton.
No, just Tata did. Do.
Si tatay si Patrick.
Yeah. Yes, you like Mr. Crab.
No, I'm Squidward.
Yes, Mr. Crab.
I don't like Mr. Crab. I want to be si Squidward.
Oh well.
Oh well.
I thought that is Squidward.
How about you? You are?
Mr. Crab.
You are the Mr. Crab. Okay. I
Tata
thought
is
you're the
Plankton.
Plankton. Ikaw si Plankton kasi Plankton gamay.
Tata is Plankton. You like SpongeBob.
Okay. How about si Ursula?
No.
Si Ursula living also in the ocean.
Why?
Di naman siya ga-live. Like Poseidon, Ursula,
It's
si Aquaman.
I know superheroes.
Sino? Ang balaan mo nga superheroes.
Yes.
Sino?
Spider-Man and Hulk and Flash and Batman.
Han, choose one. Sino ikaw?
Um,
Who are you?
Ah!
Yes. Who are you? Flash, Batman, Spider-Man, or Hulk? Are you
I
Hulk?
love. No.
Sino ka?
You Aqua.
Sino ka? You are?
I cannot know.
You cannot choose?
Yes.
Just choose one. Because you cannot have everything. You can choose only one.
Only.
Spider-Man or Batman?
No. I cannot know. Choose.
I will choose na lang eh.
Yes.
Batman na lang ka. Ako
You
si Catwoman.
You not Catwoman.
I am your Catwoman. Si tatay si ano? Ang-
Joker.
Si Joker.
Joker.
Villain man na si Joker. Villain si tatay.
That is a Joker.
Si ano lang si ang secretary bala ni Batman, ang old guy. So tatay is an old guy. Tatay is an old guy.
Huh?
He has bird.
It's burglar.
Yeah. How about
Mama.
Mama Beth is Ursula.
No.
How
Sino
Sino si Mabet?
Look, 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 look.
How about Lola Doc?
No.
Wala.
No.
Si Lola Doc si Ursula? No? Hindi ka sagot. Hindi ka sagot? Hindi ka sagot? Lola Bell lang eh. Si Lola Bell lang si Ursula? How about Lola Doc?
No.
Lola Doc will be
Chocolate.
Chokoy. I'll sugid you to Lola Doc. How about Papa Bongking?
Busted.
Papa's dead?
Yes.
Okay.
Chocolate. That's the use of chocolate.
Okay lang kung dead si Papa. It's a ano lang man. It's not real man. Papa will be
Still alive.
if
Safe.
if Papa is still alive, he will be the
Queen.
Abi
Chocolate.
Shokoy also. Lolo and Papa are Shokoys.
Yes. Chocolate.
And you are the baby Shokoy. Why do you want to be a bee? You want to be a bee? What ganito? Beekeeper? Ano to ganyan bal mo last time?
I buried a bee.
You want to be a bee catcher? Beekeeper or
I'm beekeeper.
you want to be a beekeeper? Why? Why do you want to be a beekeeper? Ano gani ang ginapod langga? Silent. Ano gani ginahimo sang bee?
Honey.
Ang honey is
Sweet.
sweet. Di naga sleep ang honey. Ang bee.
I'm high.
Beehive.
Yes, a queen
Beehive.
bee.
How about the honey? They have the honey Honey?
Beehive.
Beehives. Honeycomb.
Nan, a bee queen.
You love honey, no?
Bee queen.
Lolo give you honey, no? And we ubos it, no?
Yes. Let's go later. A store, a honey store.
You have money?
Yes.
Diin?
Over my pocket.
Over your pocket? Diin ang pocket mo? You have pocket?
It's Jesus story.
Uh-huh.
Tell story, Shokoy.
Ikaw lang.
No.
The Shokoy. Galive ang Shokoy sa ocean. And then, the Shokoy.
See Ursula.
Oh, see? Ikaw man ang gatok. Ambal mo, ako matok.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. And then, Shokoy. May baby ang Shokoy.
Hawaii.
May baby ang Shokoy. Ang name sang iya nga baby is Joan.
No.
Joan. Ang name.
No.
Why?
I'm not on Joanne.
Joan man yan. Di man yan Anjo. Joan man yan.
Why not be that? The story.
Hindi man ikaw yan sa story. Wala ka to yan sa characters of the story.
Where's Lula's house? Where's Lulu's house?
We're not yet there.
That's Lulu's house.
No.
It's Lulu's
Hindi.
house.
Ang grabing adas to.
It's Lulu's house
And
here.
then, ang Shokoy, ang bad people, ang pirate, they throw a bomb,
Why?
a dynamite. They are having a dynamite fishing.
Why?
That's bad.
I love diamonds.
No, because the dynamite kills many fishes.
I like diamonds.
No, it's bad. It's bad doing.
I like diamonds. I like diamonds. I like diamonds.
And then, nakibot, na-shock si Shokoy kaya nag-sleep siya. And then, ang iya gali baby, nadala. Nasamaran iya nga baby because of the dynamite. Nagdugo. Ay, ang baby ni Shokoy, gamay pa lang. Just like you. Swim lang tani ito. Te, nasamaran siya ga nag-bleed.
Why?
Tipi naigo siya sang bomb. Dayo, nakibot si Shokoy, yung pangita niya, yung nga baby. Si Joan. Yung pangita niya, is looking for his baby. And then,
Why? What's dynamite?
dynamite is like a bomb.
Why it's the sock?
My lips.
Yes. It's stuck your short.
And then, yung pangita niya, yung baby, nakita niya to sa may rock, nagalay down, kaya may samad siya sa feet and sa hands. Hindi siya ka-swim well.
Why?
May samad siya. Aking si Shokoy. May power ba yung Shokoy?
First have no purpose.
May power si Shokoy.
No!
Ako, yan balang istorya.
I have no purpose.
Paano mo nabalaan nga wala siya power? Is that your story or mine?
Yours.
Okay, so may power siya.
No.
Ni? May power si Shokoy.
Why?
Ang power ni Shokoy is
Tupo.
no. Damo siya powers. Nag-create siya sang big wave.
Why?
Nag-create siya sang big wave.
I'm not scared big waves.
Nang ship sang pirate na tambakan.
Think about the sea.
Ayan, nag-sink sa bottom of the sea. And then
Yes.
what happened?
Think.
And then what happened to the ship?
Broke.
Broke?
Pieces.
Broke into pieces?
Yes.
And then what else?
With the pirates.
But the pirates drowned.
Pirates have bonbons.
But wala man sila ka-prepare because of the big wave.
Why?
Na-shock sila nga may big wave. Sino nag-create sang big wave, how?
I'm a chocolate
Na nga man nag-create ang big ng Shokoy sang big wave.
because the pirates bad. Good.
Why bad ang pirate?
I love pirates.
Why bad ang pirate?
I love pirates.
Why gani bad ang pirate?
I like pirates.
Sa story, why?
I like pirates.
Okay, sige. Tell the vlog. I like pirates. Tell it.
I not like black no more.
Okay, sige, bye-bye na.
Bye bye black. I wanna punch you.
For me. Wait for me.
You bonbon, I should do.
Ganit dito. The Shokoy is there. Joke. Later lang mas tatay. Upod mo na tatay. Sulot na, sulot na.
I wanna walk.